And now I will doing a video presentation about my individual assignment, which is structural design. And the title for this structural design is the technology enhancement on construction material, that we say concrete material. So therefore, as a smart, we can be defined as like a technology enhancement. Is the mean that the ability of the material to change the stimulation and the ability to reactivate their change for the environment. For example, this stimulation such as magnetic flow, pressure, mechanical flow, and the pressure for the environment, so that it can be make the concrete become more advanced. So for this video, the technology enhanced on the concrete material for me is piezoelectric materials. So I want to talk about the technology enhancement of construction concrete is piezoelectric material. So first, let me see to the detail of the technology enhancement for this piezoelectric material. So first, we need to know what is the function of the piezoelectric material. So the piezoelectric material has the ability to generate an electrical potential to respond to apply the magnetic strength as a sensor. So this means that piezoelectric material can be do as a sensor, and through the current of the electric, he will give the response to the builder or the client to know the concrete, to know the building, how structure monitoring help of the concrete. So how this you get a signal? So for this, we can know the piezoelectric ceramic. So you will see when driving the piezoelectric ceramic actuated by applying an exciter system signal while recording the resist signal for the sensor, the possible damage to the structure. So this means that when you give the electrical will passing through, and the piezo ceramic will give you a sensor, and we will give the sensor about that how the damage to the structure. So for this, we can see how the section or how the sensor to pass through. We will go to the structure, it will get the sensor, test instrument, data, and we can engine diagnosis. And step evaluation is to let the client or let the construction to know that the concrete structure has been damaged or crashed. So next is how this piezoelectric material can be its placement. First, we need to know how what is formed by the piezoelectric material. It's formed by the four components. So this is quadrat, linear, diamondate, deep dynonate, titanium, and PLZT. So these are the four main components for the piezoelectric material. So first, he can be installed with two ways, which is surface bond and the embedded piezoelectric material. So it means that. So what is the surface bond? Surface bond is just only stick and stack by the beam structure. So the surface bond is the method by bond to the surface of concrete through a high strength exposed adhesive. Why? For the second method is installed at any time. So this means that andesite is mean that you can install it anywhere. No need to display. So from this diagram we can see that the surface bond is just only stick to the beam structure. Another to the piezoelectric material is like this. It just install the concrete structure. So what is the benefit for the piezoelectric material? So this can be do for the economic structure health monitoring. So this is for a function. So he will make the building to more safe. Besides that, it will cost effective because it's from the diagram you can see it's just small. It will not too many expensive. And he will let you the construction can be do the building for more safe. And it is small size. The third benefit is such and very weight. So he very can let the construction can build and it's not so heavy. Another benefit is implement can at any time. So it's small, so he can like method 2. Embedding material is mean that you can install anyway. So it's very benefit. So it does not mean that you need to install for the post or construction, pre-construction. It's only anytime you can free. Another last benefit is the easily installment, because it's very small, so you can be very small. You only install in the construction concrete very easily. So what is the improvement for the piezoelectric material? So because it's used for structural design, it will detect how the damage. So it can be used in the in earthquake country like Japan, Indonesia to detect the building before after the possible happening earthquake, because many is happening, and he will know the builder how to construct and for the crash and erosion. Another in the future maybe he can use in the air crash
or the Saturday silver instrument for the damage detect. So it's more for the detachment for the builder and for the to repair. And what is the meaning of piezoelectric material for the society and environment? First, to the society, it can make alert to the people because it is for the structural help. So you can get the people and the citizen about the building to more safe, to live. Another third is to let the people more safe. Yeah, yes. Piezoelectric material can let the people to do the safe help and for their future life. Another is can make the society can create the more luxury habits. That means that because this piezoelectric material cannot only use for the construction, it also can use in other industry. So it will do another industry lah. So another to environment, what is the environment benefit? So he will unpump to unfriend to the environment because he is no pollution and not use of chemical. No, because he used to leak. This is to conduct directly. So he will not do the reaction of the chemical to the environment. So this another benefit is zero pollution, safe and clean. So he will not do the pollution to the environment. Third benefit is no more environment because this biometric is to detect the structural design to the monitor health. So when he will keep the construction more safe, the construction will not fall down and no more jungle forest will be cut down to build the new building. So this is the benefit for me, and this is for my presentation to biodegradable material. Thank you.